Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for eFootball PES2020 on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today. It was stupidly cheap, it was like 30 quid. 30 British pounds. So yeah, I thought I'd get it, give it a try. Any football game's good in my eyes, as long as it ain't a pile of shit. But yeah. Yeah. So anyway, on the front we've got Leo Messi, Miralem Pjanic, Scott McTominay and Serge Gnabry. And then that's the side. And then on the back we have Playing is Believing, Revolutionary ball control, the biggest teams and licenses, new matchday mode, Master League remastered, new presentation. Then it's the official Barcelona video game, official Bayern Munich video game, official Juventus video game, and official Manchester United video game. And then these are all the leagues, 400 teams, 10,000 plus players. Install size is up to 41 gig. Is Xbox One X enhanced in 4K Ultra HD, HDR10. And then you get My Club content, so you get Ronaldinho 2019 10 match loan, Lionel Messi 10 match loan, Premium Agent, free players for 10 weeks, free player contracts for 10 weeks. So inside we have the content, which hasn't been redeemed yet, so I'm not going to show the code. And we have the disc, which I do like the disc on the PES games because it's all like shaped like a ball, and I love my balls. But yeah, that's my quick unboxing of eFootball PES2020 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye bye.